So guys, today we want to talk about this particular work. Subscribe and stay tuned for more so that you're not going to miss this updates. I'm here to guide the upcoming artists, whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist. But with these little tips, it's going to help you and take your art to the next level. So let's go. So drawing amazing work like that, as you can see, this type of portraits here, it's really taking me some time while creating this amazing art piece. For the advice I'm going to give you the upcoming artist, is as I won't start like nobody just stand up like it becomes so perfect like you have to start from somewhere. So starting your artwork, you always have it at the back of your mind. You have idea of what you want to do, stuff like that. So after having the idea of what you want to create, it is in your head, it's your mind. You understand? Two things are working together: your head and your mindset. You understand? So creating this type of artwork, this particular artwork, as a career starter, maybe you're thinking of what you do, or you're afraid of pastel, or you're afraid of painting. Let me tell you something. That is exactly what I hear. So if you watch this video till now, do well to subscribe and turn the notification bell so that each time I drop an update, you can follow up and watch the tutorial that I share here with you, so that it can help you to, like, I'm not here to like show off my skills like that, but it's very important. This is a talent, and I just want to impact to the younger artists that are coming out. You understand? So it is very important for you to stay tuned and watch this till what I'm about to show. I'm just here to spark your brain, so start that which you are afraid of. The type of artwork you want to do. Like, I'm not really into. I'm not just a painter. I do pastel works. I do pencil, charcoal, pencil, black and white like this, and I also do amazing painting like this. I have some abstract painting like this also. You understand? These are all my painting. I do wall painting too. As you can see, this type of wall painting. You understand? So you being an artist, it's really important you have those skills. It's not all about pencil work. Some may come be asking you that I want a painting or pastel or type of artwork. So some of us, we basically study this, and like this pastel, to be honest with you, nobody teach me like this type of pastel. This is pastel. Nobody taught me how to do it, but I was focused and I wanted to know it. So today I'm able to create this type of amazing artwork, as you can see. So my brothers and sisters, I'm just here to guide you and to spark your brain. So see you in my next video. Peace out. Love you all.